everyone, it's Fiona from Lavender Blue and I'm back with just a little short tutorial for you today, and it's a really cute little envelope and it's just made from one sheet of 6 by 6 inch paper or 15 by 15 centimeters, and there's no cutting, it's just all folding and a little bit of gluing. Sort of like an origami style envelope, I guess, and it's very easy to make. You've got like this little diamond at the front which creates its own little closure, and when you open it up you have a pocket at the back here. So it's just a very small little cute envelope which are really easy to make, and I thought they'd be fantastic for your junk journals or scrapbooking. So I'm just going to show you how I did this. Okay, so I might just ink up this one first around the edges, just because I like the vintage look with the ink around. So you know all those 6 by 6 paper pads that you have lying around and you don't know what to do with them? Perfect for this project. So you start off by just folding it diagonally, just in half diagonally, like this. And I hope that this paper's straight, it should be. And they'd look really nice just made out of book pages or tea-dyed paper as well. And decorate them up however you like to suit your project. But yeah, I just thought it was such a good idea, just so easy to do. So I'm just going to score that, and I'm going to ink that as well while I'm here. And you don't have to ink it up if you don't want to. Next we're just going to take the top bit and fold the point to this fold line, straight down like that. Bit of inking here. I just want to do this before I fold it because it makes it a lot easier to do it now. Now the next thing you want to do is get the right hand side and fold it over to the left, roughly to where that point is there, roughly level with that, but in a little bit. You might want to sort of, because I don't have actual measurements, I didn't use actual measurements. You might want to sort of fold it roughly first just to make sure that they sort of meet. Well, this top one needs to sort of come to the outer corner of this one when it's folded down. So you can just sort of fold them both just to make sure you've got it. This one should roughly come to the edge. So really you just fold it sort of level with that point but back a little bit, maybe back about 1 centimetre, and that seems to work. I'm just going to do that there. You can always adjust it anyway. Yeah, back a little bit more. And that's because we want to get our little diamond shape in the middle here, so we want this point to be more or less to that edge. So you're folding, so you're really folding from here to here, you're really folding that into thirds. So if I was to measure, actually that would probably, that might make it easier for you if I do. I think that would be 5 centimetres for each section. But I didn't bother measuring. Oh no, that's 21 when it's folded on the diagonal. So that would make it 7 centimetres for each section. So if I go 7 and then 14, that should make it about right for the folds. There we go, in there. And this one's going to go, yeah, so 7 centimetres. For each fold. And now what we do is we grab this top left hand one and we're going to fold it back just to the corner there. And then what we do is we lift it up and then fold it like this, and that's where you get your little diamond closure. So that should be pretty much in the centre there, just like that. And then we'll fold this down just to test it. Just fold it a little bit low below the point of that diamond. And then just make sure that can tuck in there. So that's good. So that's all it is. Except we need to do some gluing, obviously, to make it permanent. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue under 2 sides. Just a little bit of glue on the ends here. You can glue these flat bits if you want to as well, but that's not really necessary because it will all hold together. So I'm just going to glue that one down. And then the other side, put some glue under along here and under that little triangle. Glue that down. And another thing I did was I ran some glue just under this side of the triangle as well, so that doesn't stick up on that side. Just at the bottom. Okay, so now we've got our, just let me see if you can see. So now we've got our little pocket here and our little closure. So I might just do one more, you know, just decorate that however you like. And they measure, I'm guessing they would measure 7 centimetres. Yeah, 7 by about 6.5 or 7. Probably depends how far you fold down your little flap at the top there. And that is in inches, about 2 3/4 inches. Now I'm going to try one with some coffee dye paper. I just wanted to probably make some for a journal, and you can make it like this with the coffee paper as is, or you could glue on your patterned paper or printable, whatever you've got first, and then start folding. Or you could sew it on first if you wanted to. So I just wanted to try this out. I'll do it again just so you can, in case you didn't get my instructions with the first one. So folding up diagonally, then folding down the top one. Then this time I will mark every 7 centimetres across here. Seven, 14. Okay, so we're going to fold our right hand one at 7 centimetres. And the left hand one. So then we take this top one and fold it back to the corner. And then lift it up and flatten it down like a diamond. Like that. I think that's really, really cute. They're really sweet. Glue these down. There you have it. Another cute little folded envelope. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this little project. It's just a quickie, but I think it's a good one. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.